The Craftsman 19.2 volt compared to the Dewalt 20 volt max. It's got the 20 volt max XR lithium ion battery on the Dewalt. I mean, there's really no comparisons to the two. I mean, you can just feel how much more quality built the Dewalt is to the Craftsman. I haven't got a chance to use the Dewalt yet. I mean, just bought it a week ago and haven't had a chance to use it. But just holding it in your hand, it just feels better than the Craftsman. The size of the Dewalt is definitely a lot bigger than the Craftsman. They're both 1/2 inch. I mean, the Craftsman's a good impact wrench, but I mean, it's nothing going to be compared to the Dewalt. I mean, you can feel it. You can feel the torque difference. A lot more power in the Dewalt. It's not too many more volts, but you can feel the difference in the torque. And the quality of the material on the Dewalt feels to be a better quality than what's on the Craftsman. It's a lot thicker material. There's a big price difference though. It's $300 compared to $65. Which with this one I got 2 batteries and a charger in the bag for $300. And with the Craftsman I got the battery and a charger for $65. But I'm hoping the Dewalt lasts as long as the Craftsman did or longer, because I've had this one for 2 years. No troubles out of it, but the battery doesn't last very long. Hopefully the battery on the Dewalt lasts a little longer. But I'll get a review done of the Dewalt once I get a chance to use it. And the LED light on the Dewalt is a lot brighter than the one on the Craftsman. Better quality LEDs. But yeah, I'll get a video of the view on the Dewalt once I get a chance to use it.